Hello, I'm going to show how to make a screen recording using OBS Studio. When you install OBS Studio, you'll see this auto configuration wizard message when you first start up the program. I recommend saying no. I'm using OBS Studio version 23.2.1. If you press start recording, you'll get this message that says you first have to create a source. So I'll say no and I'll create my source. To create a source, hit plus, display capture, OK, OK. To record, press start recording, and to stop recording, press stop recording. To find the recordings, go to Files, Show Recordings. This is one of the recordings. Change recording format, go to Settings, Output, Recording Format, and Apply or OK. If you want to set up hotkeys, go to Settings, Hotkeys. For start recording and stop recording, I put in Control R for both. Apply or OK. Desktop and mic audio are on by default. You can turn them off on this panel if you want. Before I run Auto Configuration Wizard, I want to show you the settings output. There's an encoder under streaming, but there's no encoder under recording. After I run the Auto Configuration Wizard, there will be an encoder under recording. To run Auto Configuration Wizard, select Tools, Auto Configuration Wizard. Select Optimize just for recording, Next, Next, Apply Settings. After Auto Configuration Wizard, under Settings, Output, there's now an encoder. Mine's set to hardware AMD. This was causing an error for me, and I switched it to software and it fixed it. So if you're having problems, I would try that.